Downsizing can be a stressful process, but with the right strategies, you can manage stress effectively and make the transition smoother. Let's explore some practical tips to help you manage stress during downsizing. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and today I'm sharing some valuable tips on how you can manage stress during the downsizing process. Let's discover how you can navigate this transition with ease and confidence. Start planning and organizing your downsizing process early. Create a timeline and a checklist to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Being organized can reduce stress and help you feel more in control. Break down the downsizing process into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on one task at a time, such as decluttering a specific room or packing a certain category of items. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes the process more achievable. Don't hesitate to seek support from family and friends. Whether it's helping with packing or providing emotional support, having loved ones by your side can make the process less stressful and more enjoyable. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Activities such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm during the transition. Keep a positive mindset by focusing on the benefits of downsizing, whether it's a simpler lifestyle, financial savings, or a new community. Embracing the positives can help alleviate stress and create excitement for your future. Managing stress during downsizing is essential for a smooth transition. By following these tips, you can navigate the process with confidence and ease. If you're ready to downsize and need some expert guidance, I'm here to help. Call me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's work together to ensure your downsizing journey is a positive experience. Remember, managing stress is about taking control and embracing the journey with positivity. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to supporting you in your downsizing journey.